deep sleep. He's in such a sleep, he doesn't know what's happening. Whoa! What's that sound? Is that smoke alarm? You better get out of the house. How do you get out? Good job, crawl. Blow that smoke. Good job. Look at him go. Keep going. Get past the line. All right, let's give him a hand. Very good. Okay, y'all can get up now. You can get up. That was a long hallway. Are you okay? All right, you did a good job, and everyone thanks you for cleaning up the floor right there. That was very, very nice.
The newbies make it.
Okay. Awkward silence. All right, so thank you very much for that today, and for your help. Okay, see that on YouTube.